Hi, the topic of this lesson is rates. At the beginning of this lesson I am going to do one more topic on ratios, that is equivalent ratio. What is an equivalent ratio? Suppose a ratio is given. By multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of the ratio by the same number we get an equivalent ratio. For example, consider a ratio 6:18. Dividing the numerator and denominator of this ratio by 2, we get 3/9. This is an equivalent ratio. By dividing original ratio by 6, we get another equivalent ratio, that is 1/3. Suppose we multiply numerator and denominator of 6/18 by 2. Then we get another equivalent ratio. That is 12/36. Let's do an example on equivalent ratios. Let's do part 1. We have to find the equivalent ratios of 1/5. Multiply numerator and denominator of this ratio by 2. We get the equivalent ratio 2/10. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/5 by 3. Then we get the equivalent ratio 3/15. Then let's do the second part. The given ratio is 2/9. By multiplying by 4, we get 8/36. By multiplying the numerator and denominator of the original ratio by 2, we get the equivalent ratio 4/18. Then part 3. The given ratio is 10/25. By dividing the numerator and denominator by 5, we get the equivalent ratio 2/5. By multiplying the numerator and denominator of 2/5 by 3, the equivalent ratio 6/15 is obtained. Now we are going to do example 2. There are 3 bags A, B and C. The bag A contains 10 blue balls and 5 red balls. The bag B contains 5 blue balls and 20 red balls, and bag C contains 10 blue balls and 15 red balls. We have to complete the given table. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. In first row, ratio of blue balls to red balls should be entered. In the first cell of row 1, the ratio of blue to red in bags A and C should be entered. In bags A and C there are 20 blue balls and 20 red balls. So in A and C, B2 equals 20/20, equals 1:1. Next go to cell 1 of the second row. In this we have to enter the ratio of blue to all in bags A and C. This is equal to 20/40, which is equal to 1:2. In cell 1 of the third row, ratio of red to all in bags A and C should be entered. So our to all equals 20 to 40, which is equal to 1 to 2. Next come to first row cell 2. In this, the ratio of blue to red in bags A and B should be entered. This is equal to 15 to 25, which is equal to 3 to 5 in simplest form. Next go to cell 2 of second row. B to all in A and B is equal to 15 is to 40, which is equal to 3 is to 8 in simplest form. Next the second cell of third row. In this the ratio of our to all in A and B should be entered. This is equal to 25 to 40. This in simplest form is equal to 5 to 8. Next we have to fill third cell of first row. Ratio of B to R is equal to 15 to 35. This is equal to 3 to 7 in simplest form. Next let's fill third cell of row 2. In this we have to fill the ratio of B to all in bags B and C. This is equal to 15 is to 50, which is equal to 3 is to 10 in simplest form. Next go to third cell of row 3. We have to fill ratio of R to all. This is equal to 35 to 50, which is equal to 7 is to 10 in simplest form. Next topic is rates. What is rate? When two quantities of different units are compared and expressed as a ratio, we refer to it as rate. Let's take an example. Suppose a box containing 12 eggs costs $5.60. Then the rate of eggs is equal to $5.60 per 12 eggs. In this the word per can be replaced by slash. Then we come to unit rate. In this certain number of units of first quantity is compared to 1 unit of the second quantity. Let's find the unit rate of eggs in the given example. In this the number of eggs is 12. We divide the numerator and the denominator of the rate by 12. Then we get the unit rate. It is 47 cents per egg. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.